Have you wondered why the sky and oceans are blue? It's Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman who has given answer to this. The Indian physicist who carried out groundbreaking work in the field of light scattering, which earned him Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 and was the first person in Asia to obtain this in the field of science. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman was born on November 7th, 1888 in the city of Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Raman's father was Chandrasekaran Ramanathan Iyer. His mother was Parvathi Ammal. In the year 1904, he obtained a BA degree from University of Madras with gold medal in physics. In 1907, he completed MSc degree with highest distinction. In 1917, he was offered the Palit Chair of Physics at Calcutta University. After 15 years at Calcutta, he became professor at the Indian Institute of Science at Bangalore. He was director of Raman Institute of Research at Bangalore and founded the Indian Journal of Physics in 1926. He discovered that when light traverses a transparent material, some of the deflected light changes wavelength and amplitude. He discovered that when light interacts with a molecule, the light can donate a small amount of energy to the molecule. As a result of this, the light changes its color and the molecule vibrates. This phenomenon, subsequently known as Raman scattering, results from the Raman effect. The field of Raman spectroscopy came to be based on this phenomenon, and Ernst Rutherford referred this to Royal Society London in 1929. In the year 1954, the Indian government honored him with India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna.